So Tomica has just released two models this time. As a fifth of the month of the 2025, one of these is Tesla Model Y, separated in two colors, limited one and a regular one in black. Let's unbox this. As I just do a little wrap up on the unboxing plastic video on the regular one right here. And we're gonna see is there any updates from any older facelift, or this is just a new one with just an older body. See, it pops up like an iPhone. Let's get started. So we're gonna start with the black one right here. That box is very tightly sealed. It's just I think this is first off in like 20 years that Tomica stopped making in China, and this is start again in 2025. Okay, as of this, let's compare the detail. Okay, look at how nice seal this is. So you can see that the seals actually make a complete contact with an actual car paint. So one of these is a special color. One of this is normal. So black one is normal. You can see those are the details, and both are the same. Have a look at that. See, the black ones here looks like it's glare more of the sunlight more than the white version. Made in China. With the electric car typically has a really smooth underneath. With the I think this one is titanium battery cover. In these models, in real life, code is A25 because it's out in 2025, so I wouldn't just weird about that. Details, this is like sport car views, like most of the Tomica has that. With the ring in the black ring cover. No.28. See the headlights there. This looks pretty minimalistic. This one is miniature model, so collector just love it. Nice light detail. Look at that. My camera won't focus. Pardon. Okay, so in the white one, it looks like it's come from future. Look at that. A black sunroof. And with that, the detail on the bottom is still the same. This is a limited one. The door handle right here. And I think this one is camera. Just probably. That's a nice detail. So my camera won't focus again. Okay. Let's see the back. You can see this is the front end. That's pretty nice detail. So really put that all the effort for detail is pretty great strategy for marketing. So I think someone would probably spend if they really want to collect things like these. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.